pampanga mo sa relax sarap.
Solmux Advance. Mabilis magpagaling in as fast as 3 to 5 days when taken thrice daily.
Playtime Entertainment. Born for happiness.
Bygone. 100% knockdown.
Cali. Pop a Cali para everybody, every bubbly.
Barangay LS 97.1.
Stronger forever!
Uy, protect! Uy! Aoy! 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 Uy! Aoy! It's a cool! It's a fresh! It's a protection! Mag all-new Protect Soap helps protect freshness feeling every day up to 8 hours. With regular use, results may vary. Starts at 1550 pesos SRP lang. Uy! Uy! Aoy! It's a cool! It's a fresh! It's a protection from germs. With all-new Protect Soap. With regular use, results may vary.
I have sipon, I have body pain. Pag 2, pwedeng flu. Mag-BioFlu. Dahil pag may 2 symptoms, pwedeng flu yan. BioFlu. Kaya anumang sintomas ng flu.
Unilab yan. Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol is the generic name of BioFlu. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Walang masama sa paglaro ng Bingo Plus. Ang importante, you know your limits. Panglibangan lamang ang paglaro ng Bingo Plus. Hindi ito dapat nakaka-stress, nakakaubos ng pera, o nakaka-apekto ng pamilya. Bingo Plus. Tamang laro, tamang panalo. Gambling for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Responsible gaming at Pagcor.ph.
Maglaro sa Bingo Plus app para tuloy-tuloy ang premyo at saya. At malay mo, mapanalunan mo pa ang jackpot prize sa first online live stream bingo sa Pinas. Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo.
Sa mga mommy na may young kids, naranasan nyo na ba yung masigla naman yung anak mo, may gana namang kumain, active naman, pero bigla na lang nagkakasakit? Yun pala, kahit mukhang healthy on the outside, baka meron ng immunity gap on the inside. Alam niyo bang up to 96% of kids ay kulang sa vitamin C? Habang up to 42% naman ay kulang sa zinc. Mas may chance tuloy magkasakit kasi ang mga virus at bacteria laging ready to attack. Kaya mga mommy, bago pa umatak ang sakit, dapat unahan na natin. Dapat mag-Celine Plus araw-araw. Tumutulong ang Celine Plus na punuin ng vitamin C and zinc sa katawan. Tulong para protektado ang anak mo araw-araw. Help stop immunity gap with proper diet and exercise. Mag-Celine Plus araw-araw. Ascorbic acid plus zinc is the generic name of Celine Plus. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Sunod-sunod na OT, kapit lang.
Kaya ko pa.
Tuloy-tuloy na biyahe, laban lang.
Kaya ko pa.
Patong-patong na projects, sige lang. Kaya ko pa. Ang liwanag na to, nasa loob mo. Pasiklabil with Cobra Energy Drink. May Immune Plus, B vitamins, taurine, ginseng at inositol. Kakayanin ang pagsubok sa tulong ng Cobra Energy Drink. Para sa amin, pag meron ka nito, wala kang talo. Ang liwanag na to, nasa loob mo. Pasiklabin with Cobra Energy Drink. Para sa amin, pag meron ka nito, wala kang talo.
Mga ka-senior, Bossing Vic Soto po. Umaaray na ba sa presyo ng senior milk? Ang Birch 3 Advance
Same nutrition, half the price.
versus leading senior milk brand. Sabi ng nutritionist ko.
May triple advanced powered, tulong pampalakas ng muscle at bone, immunity, brain at heart. With a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, mag-Birch 3 Advanced na.
Same nutrition, half the price.
Versus leading senior milk brand. Birch 3 Advance. Same nutrition, half the price. Versus leading senior milk brand. Get triple advanced power with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.
Miss, yung right med nito.
Meron kaming iba.
Miss, dun ako sa kilala ko na at pinagkakatiwalaan ko. Kaya, basta right med.
Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Right Med, dekalidad at abot kayang gamot, ipilit at hingin. Basta Right Med, dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
On sa Barangay 756.
This time check was brought to you by PLDT Home Fiber Prepaid. Sumakses ka sa Unli with PLDT Home Fiber Prepaid. Mag-PLDT Prepaid na.
Celine Plus. Ang batang mukhang healthy. Baka may immunity gap na. Help stop immunity gap. Mag-Celine Plus araw-araw.
Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya. Plus sa panalo. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Birch Tree Advance. Same nutrition, half the price versus leading senior milk brand. Bili na! Alaksan Extra. Ang kilala mong Alaksan, extra galing na. Up to 3 times faster versus Alaksan FR. New Alaksan Extra.
Tara, discover na. Sumama ka, buksan iyong mata. Discover one by one. Pinas na tiganda. Ano man ang trip, siguradong worth the trip. Fly to what moves you. Discover one by one. Let's fly everyone.
Cebu Pacific Air. Fly to what moves you.
Kabarangay! Napakainit na. Grabe ang pawis ko kanina papunta dito sa Barangay LS. Tapos pagpasok ko naman sa booth, apakalamig! Litong-lito ang body temp ng Papa Ace nyo. Kapag ganito ang panahon, tapos puro salita pa ako dito, very prone ako sa cough with phlegm. Tapos kapag inubo na, natural remedies lang like pahinga, more water, mga ganyan, feeling ko naman kasi gumiginhawa na. Pero very possible pala na may natitirang virus at bacteria. Ending, mas tumatagal pa yung recovery ko. Buti na lang, I discovered Solmux Advance with Zinc. Sa ubong may plema, subok ko na ang Solmux Advance with Zinc. May laban ka na sa plema, mayroon pa itong zinc na tinatarget ang tirang virus at bacteria. Dahil dyan, bilis ginhawa in as fast as 3 to 5 days. Basta 3 times a day uminom, okay na uli. Available pa ang Solmux Advance sa tablet man o liquid. Switch to Solmux Advance with Zinc. Carbocysteine plus zinc is the generic name of Solmux Advance. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Wala si Mom!
Don't worry, Dad's got this.
Wow! Fries with dip! Egg sandwich! And mac salad!
Make everyday dishes mayo special with the #1 mayo. Ladies' Choice.
Make every dish mayo special with the #1 Ladies' Choice.
Araw-araw, MX3 para extraordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, capsule, coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako bilib.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. MX3 capsule. Dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Playtime Entertainment is an entertainment platform bringing together media, sports, and digital content on the international stage. Visit playtime.ph and follow Playtime Entertainment on social media for moments that make you happy.
Playtime Entertainment. Born for happiness.
Playtime Entertainment. Born for happiness.
Break time na. Kaso, walang patawad yung work chat mo. Sige na, mag-Magic Flakes cheese ka na. Dali! Oh, winner, di ba? Sa sarap ng cheese at crunch, sasarap din ang break mo. Basta break time, Magic Flakes cheese!
Sa sarap ng cheese at crunch, sasarap din ng break mo with Magic Flakes cheese.
It's Mele Francisco for Baygon. Pag may Baba Baygon, supot sa bisa. Basta Baba Baygon, tanggal peste sa bahay. Basta Baba Baygon, may tiwala ako. Baygon's my choice. Baygon's my choice. Baygon's my choice.
Baygon, 100% knockdown.
Miss, yung right bed nito.
Meron kaming iba.
Miss, doon ako sa kilala ko na at pinagkakatiwalaan ko. Kaya, basta right med.
Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Right Med. Dekalidad at abot kayang gamot? Ipilit at hingin. Basta Right Med. Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
Naku po! Sounds like a messy poo. From day one, use EQ Dry. May new Messy Poo Pocket na sumasalo ng poo para mess-free si baby. From day one, i-continue ang comfy sleep. Use EQ Dry.
EQ Dry. For comfy sleep from day one, i-continue mo.
May high cholesterol o diabetes?
Oh no!
Block
Block the bawal with Glucopro. The super fiber drink helps block sugar and cholesterol spikes after meals with proper diet and exercise.
Yes!
Say yes to Glucopro. Use under medical supervision.
Unilab quality yan. Say yes to the super fiber. Drink Glucopro.
Get ready for a Wild West adventure. Play Wild Bounty Showdown at Bet88. Choose your luck from over 2,500 games so you have more chances for big wins.
It's a non-stop gaming adventure with Bet88.
Bet88, your ultimate playground. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. Responsible gaming at pagcor.ph.
Sign up and play now at bet88.ph and get up to 8,888 pesos daily bonus. Bet88, your ultimate playground.
Donnie Pangilinan here. Every day is a new adventure. That's why I armor up with Biogenic alcohol. So I can get in the game. Savor the moment.
Food's here, guys!
And feel the vibe.
Best concert ever!
All while staying protected. Armor for adventure with Biogenic. Isopropyl alcohol is the generic name of Biogenic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Para sa mga minamahal naming biyahero, thank you for choosing Biogesic sa biyaheng ginhawa from headache. Jody Santa Maria po, tandaan, ang headache ay pwedeng makaantala sa inyong biyahe. Kaya sa inyong hand carry items, dapat laging may Biogesic anytime, anywhere. Ingat!
Unilab quality yan.
Paracetamol is a generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Friday night, na-meet mo siya. Tapos Sabado, kayo na? Normal yan. Gusto magka-baby. O gusto, ikaw ang bini-baby. Ang normal mo, normal yan. Ano man ang choice mo, pwedeng makatulong. Every Trust product purchase, may ambag sa misyon namin gawing accessible ang family planning. Para same-same tayo in enjoying what matters to us. Trust. Want more? Ma'am? Sir? O ma'am, sir? Learn more at trust.ph.
Different choices. Same normal. Trust. Abot kayang family planning para sa lahat.
Ako si Marisa, 62 years old. Nakakapanlumo ang feeling na parang unti-unting lumalabo ang paningin mo. Sa edad ko, akala ko normal na ang paglabo ng mata. Pakiramdam ko, may ulap na laging nakaharang at nakakasilaw ang bawat ilaw. Pero nagbago ang lahat nang nalaman ko ang iBerry. Dahil sa natural na sangkap nitong iBright at Bilberry, sinubukan ko at hindi ako nagsisi. Unti-unti kong napansin na mas malinaw na ang mga kulay at hindi na masakit sa mata ang liwanag. Wala na yung pakiramdam na may ulap. Salamat sa iBerry.
Huwag hayaang maging hadlang ang katarata sa paningin mo. Hanapin na ang iBerry sa pinakamalapit na butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang iBerry ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri.
Ang mahiwagang magtipapakalo!
Saktong-sakto daw. Ang alamat natin. Sa kanilang almusal, sardinas. Alam niyo ba saan galing yan? Alamin natin lahat yan. At hindi na para patagalin pa.
Ikukwento ko na ang napakagandang alamat